Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of RTP, Real-Time Transport Protocol. Let's explore its technical workings and importance in communication systems. RTP, or Real-Time Transport Protocol, is a critical component in delivering audio and video over IP networks. Developed by the Internet Engineering Task Force, it's designed for real-time data transmission. RTP has several key features that make it essential. 1. End-to-end delivery. Ensures data reaches its destination. 2. Payload type identification. Helps in identifying the media format. 3. Sequence numbering. Maintains the order of data packets. 4. Timestamping. Syncs audio and video streams. These features ensure a smooth and synchronized media experience. How RTP works. So, how does RTP work? Let's break it down. 1. Packetization. Data is split into packets. 2. Transmission. Packets are sent over the network. 3. Reassembly. Packets are reassembled at the destination. 4. Playback. Data is played back in real time. This process minimizes delays and ensures high-quality transmission. RTP works hand-in-hand with RTCP, RTP Control Protocol. RTCP monitors data delivery, provides feedback on quality, and synchronizes multiple streams. It's crucial for maintaining performance and quality. RTP is widely used in 1. VoIP calls, ensuring clear audio. 2. Video conferencing, providing smooth video streams. 3. Streaming services, delivering real-time media. Its versatility makes it indispensable in modern communication. Security is paramount in RTP. Encryption methods like SRTP, Secure RTP, are used to protect data. This ensures confidentiality and integrity, safeguarding against eavesdropping and tampering. In conclusion, RTP is the backbone of real-time communication. Its features and functionalities make it a cornerstone of modern media transmission. Understanding RTP helps us appreciate the technology behind seamless audio and video experiences. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Leave your comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on RTP.